supposed to look like this, but I don't see it. If you can help me find it.
Yes.
I cried.
Inside voice. Inside voice, okay?
They're friends. Nina, they're friends. No, they're friends.
I see it. I see it. I see it. Shh. Soraya. What is that?
I'm not seeing the gecko.
Say lobster. Lobster.
Oh, yeah, lobster. Oh,
Here's the gecko.
Whoa.
Here's the gecko.
This is a boat.
Now it's only the turtle I can't see. I have a feeling he's gone. Or they may have him out for a reason. Since they have food in there,
Ah.
he couldn't be that gone.
Okay, is that a big, huge snake? Oh my goodness, that's a big, huge snake.
Wow, the snake!
It's a big, huge snake. Red-tailed boa.
Yeah, blue.
Wow.
The blue snake.
The blue snake?
Oh,
No, it's a red-tailed boa.
Yeah, in there. Because he can fight people.
Yeah, we don't want to touch that one.
Yeah. You remember Mommy get the crab? We eat the crab?
That's a lobster. We're not going to eat that though, okay?
There's a big cockroach. He's back in the egg carton.
Oh
We not get
yeah, that's a
picture of
big
him,
one.
but it's big.
Let's see.
Where?
No, honey, you can't climb. Nana will pick you up, but you cannot climb, okay?
Pick me up.
Okay. Hold on to Nana's arm. Hold my arm. Ready? Oh. Okay, let's see if we can see it. Look under the egg carton.
I can see.
Up. It's hiding now.
I can see.
It's hiding. When it comes back out, we'll see, okay?
What's he? You hear me?
It's a big bug. Don't bang on the... if you bang on the glass, we have to stop looking.
Nana, I know what the bug is.
Okay, let's go look at the other one. Let's go look at the other one. Ready? These are stuffed. Those are the minerals.
They're not moving.
No, those are already... They're stuffed.
Where's the owl? Where's the owl?
Okay, we're gonna go find some more, okay? Let's see what's outside. What's outside?
An owl.
An owl is outside?
Fake.
How do you know?
Because I see it.
You see the owl?
That fake owl?
That's not a fake owl. That's a real owl.
If I go out there, I'm gonna run.
The owl is actually sleeping because it likes the dark.
That is some creepy crap. Wait, that's creepy. Oh, that's Bird the Dragon named Blaze. Bird the Dragon.
Oh, a bearded dragon named Blaze?
Yeah, right down there.
I'm a Geo Ranger in training.
You are?
Nah, these
job.
are stick bugs. See? Stick bugs.
You're going to help a lot of people,
Stick.
huh?
Stick.
Yeah.
Stick. Look, Nana, it's a bug.
What is your name?
Kyle.
Kyle? Can you tell me again, what is this that we're looking at?
Bird the Dragon.
A bearded dragon named
Blaze.
Blaze.
Yeah,
Thank you, Kyle.
Okay. Guys, come here.
It's real.
Come here,
Yep,
Nana,
you see it moving?
Yeah, look at it.
The dragon's name is
No, it
Blaze.
has eyes. It has eyes.
It does have eyes.
I think so.
What else can we find? Okay, let's see. What is this?
Chickens.
They're about a week old.
Wow. Okay. Are these chickens?
Yeah.
What did we find now? Let's see.
I see the frog. It's right there. It's
A
blending
gray
in.
tree. Oh, yes, it's blending in. There.
Where? Where? Yellow spot. spotted salamander. Where?
Salamander? Can we find it? Let's see if we can find it.
Mara, come here. Wait.
Oh, there it is.
Mara, come here. Where? There's something cool. Where? Oh, I see it. Where?
Right there.
Where?
Come on, let's go see the other ones now. Oh, okay, that's Oreo?
Oreo and Molly.
Oreo and Molly. Soraya, what is that?
I don't know.
Inside of there, what is that?
I don't know.
That's a bunny rabbit inside.
Yeah.
Yes.
That's a bunny.
It's a bunny rabbit.
Yeah, the bunny rabbit.
It's a bunny rabbit, yes.
Grandma, I have to hide that and just be some. No, just keep it.
No, just leave it alone.
What is this, Soraya? You don't know? It's goldfish.
No. Yeah, the turtles.
It's a turtle? You're right. They're the turtles. They're the turtles. Wow.
I saw the fish. It's a rat. I saw the fish. The turtles eat the fish.
Oh, that's how the turtles eat?
Yeah, one ear stops. He got one leg missing.
So who is this? That's Skittles? Skittles the guinea pig. Okay, let's see. Skittles the guinea pig.
That's her gift shop.
Ah, Kyle, you are awesome. Okay, come on, Soraya. Where's Chuckles? Oh, yes, I saw Chuckles.
I got these for my school. Nana, look, my mommy made.